I've always wanted to have that sense of accomplishment. And once I started here, I was like, this is where I belong. You get hired, and then you get developed, and then you get the next step, and you're constantly growing. Everyone is on the same page. We're here to put people to work. The more drivers we have, the more freight we can haul. Our planners have already planned 2 or 3 trips for you before you're even done delivering that first one, so you don't have to worry about not getting enough miles or sitting there waiting for a load. We want to make sure that everyone is treated fairly and the way that they should be treated, and that is why we are successful here. You're also going to be out there not worrying about, is my truck going to break down? Because we do a lot of preventative maintenance. What we are doing matters.